Hey there, folks. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to deposit money from your US bank to Remitly in 2025. If you're looking to send money internationally, Remitly is a fantastic app that makes transfers fast, secure, and often cheaper than traditional banks. With updates in 2025, like enhanced security features and faster processing times, it's easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a Remitly account. Head over to the Remitly website or download the app from your phone's app store. Sign up with your email, phone number, and create a secure password. Don't forget to verify your account through the email or SMS link they send you. It's quick and ensures your safety. Next, link your US bank account. Once logged in, go to the Add Funds or Bank Account section. You'll be prompted to enter your bank's routing and account numbers. Remitly uses bank-level encryption, so your info is protected. In 2025, you might see new options for instant verification via Plaid or similar services, which could speed things up. Now, initiate the transfer. Select the amount you want to deposit, choose your recipient's country, and review the exchange rates and fees. Remitly often has competitive rates, but always double-check for the best deals. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. Your bank might send a verification code via text or app. After that, monitor the transfer. It usually takes minutes to a few hours, depending on your bank and Remitly's processing time. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations. If everything goes smoothly, the funds will be on their way. Finally, a few tips for 2025. Always use two-factor authentication, watch out for any new fees due to economic changes, and consider scheduling transfers during off-peak hours for faster service. That's it, you're all set. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.